What you're about to see isn't just a camera. It's the end of an era for the heavy, bulky DSLR. For years, content creators have been forced to choose between the portability of a smartphone and the professional quality of a cinema rig. But as we enter 2026, DJI has officially shattered that boundary. The DJI Osmo Pocket 4 has arrived, and it is unlike anything we have ever seen in the handheld world. If you think the Pocket 3 was a masterpiece, you aren't prepared for what comes next. We are talking about the first ever dual-lens system in a pocket gimbal, 8K capabilities that rival high-end production cameras. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. AI tracking is so advanced it feels like you have a professional cinematographer living inside your device. If you're a vlogger, a traveler, or someone who just wants to capture their life in the highest possible fidelity, you need to pay attention. Because the Pocket 4 isn't just an upgrade, it's a complete takeover. Let's start with the heart of the machine, the sensor. For the longest time, the 1-inch sensor in the Pocket 3 was the gold standard. But DJI knew they couldn't just stop there. In the standard Pocket 4, we are seeing an enhanced 1-inch CMOS capable of 4K at 120 frames per second. That is double the fluidity of its predecessor. But the real shocker is the Pocket 4 Pro. Rumors and leaked warehouse inventory have confirmed a dual sensor setup, a wide-angle 1-inch lens paired with a dedicated telephoto lens. This solves the one major flaw of every pocket camera in history: digital zoom. With the Pro, you're getting true 2x to 4x optical zoom. No more grainy, pixelated shots when you want to get close to the action. You now have a Hollywood-grade lens kit that fits in your palm. But power is nothing without control. DJI has completely redesigned the physical interface for the first time in 3 generations. Look at the new chassis. It's taller, thinner, and more ergonomic. There is now a dedicated zoom wheel right below the rotating OLED screen. This allows for buttery-smooth, cinematic zooms that used to require a $5,000 lens setup. And that 2-inch OLED? It's now brighter, hitting 1,000 nits of peak brightness, making it perfectly visible even under the harsh midday sun of the Grand Canyon or the neon lights of Times Square. They've even added a customizable C button, allowing you to trigger your favorite AI tracking mode with a single click. Speaking of AI, this is where the Pocket 4 leaves the competition in the dust. DJI has integrated a new neural processing unit that runs ActiveTrack 7.0. This isn't just face tracking. This is intent tracking. The camera can now predict your movement. If you're walking behind a tree or a crowd of people, the AI calculates your trajectory and reacquires you the millisecond you reappear. It's virtually impossible to lose a subject. For solo creators, this is the ultimate invisible cameraman. You can set the Pocket 4 on a tripod, walk 50 feet away, and it will follow you with the precision of a human operator. But here is the feature that is going to change the industry: frame tap. Leaked FCC documents have revealed a new wireless ecosystem. Frame tap is a tiny, wearable remote that allows you to start recording, switch lenses, and even adjust the gimbal's tilt without touching the camera. Imagine having the Pocket 4 mounted on your backpack or a car, and you have full control from a button on your wrist.